Welcome back, everyone.
Welcome back. Today our plan is to explore the bamboo grove here in Arashiyama. We are going to pass through the beautiful Kyoto's gardens in Tenriji. Basically the bamboo forest is that big, so it's divided between JR line on the other side, which which is connected with Tenriji temple.
I don't have a clue what all that means, probably like yourselves, but we're going to showcase it to you.
And then we'll show on the map.
Yeah, we're going to show the map to make it more simplified. Today the weather is beautiful, it's nice and warm, it reaches a maximum of 25 degrees. I'm wearing this, seems to be suffering with some sort of allergy problem in my eye.
It's a cherry blossom season.
You can tell the holiday season has kicked off because the crowds are mental, crazy busy. I'm going to get around it, but no I'm not. But like, this is just mental.
Yeah. We also have to say that it's 11 o'clock.
Yeah, it's almost midday.
Yes, this is the entry. You're buying the tickets there for Tenryuju Temple and Gardens. We're supposed to be going through the garden, but looking at the crowd, there's just so many people. We've got not enough time. And the crowds are crazy, so leave this beautiful garden for another day. We will head back and we'll go towards the bamboo forest. So we are actually going to cross this bridge to get to the bamboo grove. It's just over there. The water, the area is just so beautiful. Yeah, the signs did show like 5 minutes walk. I don't believe in that.
No. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. By the way, there's so many temples here and so many other shrines. So it's basically you have to spend a day just to walk around this area.
We have big difficulty trying to find the actual bamboo forest. We've got this beautiful walk. We're walking along the river line. There's a monkey park up there to the left, but there's so many steps going up to it. It costs about 600 yen, I think it was. But we're just interested in the bamboo forest for today. And trying to find it is a bit of a nightmare, not gonna lie. We don't know if we're supposed to be on this side, where we crossed that big bridge, or we're supposed to be back over there where we were before, because yeah, it's very confusing.
We should have actually stayed in the long queue line, get ourselves tickets to the garden, and just basically exit the garden. That would be the easiest.
Which garden were we talking about?
The temple garden.
Do you think?
Yeah, because I was reading a blog, somebody said just take the exit from the gardens. And we said, like today, we don't want to wait in the queue line, and we are paying the price.
We're paying the price, but if we're going to walk a bit further down here, because there is no other bridge to cross this river, we checked on Google Maps. If it fails, we're going to turn back, and then we're going to do what you just said. Right.
I'm going to do that. I found the map. Are we here? We must have been.
Why is there a bridge?
There was that bridge there.
I think so.
The train station.
We're in the wrong place.
Really?
Great.
Turn around.
We weren't exactly sure, but it looked like we had to cross the river, come round and go over there. Thankfully, an elderly Japanese man just walks straight past, takes our attention and directs us the way across. We are heading in the right direction now, thanks to the elderly Japanese man. Thank you. This is the direction to bamboo forest, or park, whatever it's called. Yeah, we're making it there. It's nice to be finally in here because this is the only shaded part you get.
Yeah.
Nice and cool.
It's amazing. Just the crowds there, just like
Too much. We let everyone just shift off that way and we'll go this way. Don't know where.
2 shrines, I think, over there and 1 here. So prepare yourself for plenty of walking and make sure you've got plenty of time.
Yeah.
To do everything.
It's been lovely here, it's been fun, it's nice and shaded, but we have to say goodbye. Where to?
We are heading to the train station, and then from the train station, from Kyoto train station, we are heading to another location, but we'll tell you there.
Closer to that point. Yeah. Okay, we'll say hi. Oh, that was exhausting.
We walked because when we were waiting for bus, We were waiting like for 3 buses, you know, driven past because there was so many people we just couldn't get on it. So half an hour later, we just arrived.
Half an hour. It felt like a good hour's walk, but it was only half an hour from that train station. We ended up waiting, what, like 10-15 minutes at a bus stop. Two or three different buses. Every single one packed.
We actually seen one JR bus.
First time ever.
First time ever.
Yeah.
I could not retrace a step where to take it. I think it's going from Kyoto train station, but it's only one route. Difficult.
Anyway, we're here. It's shaded. We're thankful. So thankful.
Look at the ticket.
And that's the ticket to the Golden Temple. Impressed?
Very.
Look at what's on the side to your right.
Am I right there?
Can you not see it?
I see it. Let's go around.
And we made it.
Let's have an ice cream. Yeah.
So it tells you what's in stock, what's out of stock. Is number 10?
Number 7 and number 10 is there.
7 and 10 are fine, they're in stock. It's them which are out of stock. They're popular. This Coolish is really popular. Maybe it's the name Coolish on a hot day.
Number 7. Alright. Ta-da! From the vending machine, here we are.
That actually looks really nice.
It's like a Kinder Bueno.
Yeah, like a Kinder Bueno.
Smells like ice cream and wafer. The chocolate inside is nice, but the wafer is so gooey.
Gooey?
Yeah, you know when the ice cream melts and it makes the consistency of the wafer.
Oh, I hate that
Soggy,
feeling.
that's the
Yes, soggy.
So you can see it's so soggy. But
That's-
the ice cream inside is very nice.
Thank you. Number 12.
Last time we went to Kura Sushi, we decided to do it again here in Kyoto, and we know more or less what we want. Avocado, salmon, and mayo. Yeah. Oh wait, we've got noodles here. Nice.
Cool.
I didn't expect that. We're here, but we'll do this halfway and back tomorrow.
Konnichiwa and welcome back.
Today is the only day when the Imperial Palace is actually open.
For some reason, not even our host at the accommodation who is Japanese, even she doesn't know why it's closed, but it's closed for the whole week. Today's vlog is now or never.
Now or never, yeah.
Yeah. It's this building over across the road from the Imperial Palace. It's kind of like Haunted Mansion meets Harry Potter.
We're talking about it, but somebody just parked the car. Do you think they...
I think it's a house. Somebody lives there.
So, let's carry on.
It's so English looking, isn't it? No drone zone.
Don't climb the trees.
Don't what?
Don't.
Do not climb trees, do not pick plants. No smoking, do not feed the animals, no pitching tents. That's totally understandable. So it turns out that the cherry blossom trees are beautiful, but Patricia's allergic to them. First things first, the weather. Let's talk about the weather. The weather's starting to rain.
Second thing, this garden is massive. We've been walking for the last 15 minutes.
It reminds me of like Paris, but it's lovely. It's so nice, and you see everyone bowing and that, all the Japanese bowing, showing respect, paying respect. It's lovely. It's Japan.
It's Japan.
You look at the top of the ceiling, it looks thatched, like thatched roof. Japanese cypress, model roof made of bark. I honestly thought it was thatched. Here's the map, in case you guys were wondering.
We We're here.
Are we?
Going straight.
Oh, yeah.
I see a little.
Okay, I follow you. Oh no, we're here. Look, we're here.
Hurry, where is that? Okay, we're here actually, you know? You got the sticker, we are here.
You're a
Then
genius.
we're going
You're a
down, And
genius.
we'll see some little pond and then I'll walk around and we just gonna
You look like the weather forecast lady. Where are we, bud?
We're here. We're going there, we turn around, we carry on going straight. Oh, not too bad.
Thank you very much. Arigato. Arigato. How was that for you?
Very, very good. Definitely worth a visit. Now we are hungry, heading to the market. And apparently you can find very random, strange, crazy food. Let's go.
We've gone and made it all the way to
Market.
yeah.
Just try that. It must be popular, so we'll stay here.
We're gonna try something we don't know.
I think they call mochi.
Mochi.
Hello.
Let's go. Under this, Patricia.
Alright.
So we don't have a clue what we just purchased.
They called mochi, but I don't know what the flavor was because there was between soya bean and the like chocolatey one. But then I asked and he said there is no chocolate. But I see that other people taking these two kinds mostly. So the translator says ohagi and the one is subu and then the second one is soya bean. So I don't even know if the translator.
So we don't have a clue.
Can you see? That's what we have.
That's what we have.
Okay, let's try it.
By the way, guys, he has stapled it together. Do you want me to open it for you?
No.
Oh, you did it.
They ran out of the leaves because they actually had like a leaf divider. And this time I just got a piece of like sticking paper, rubber. Oh my god, this is so sticky.
Take a bite. What the heck is that?
It's covered in red bean.
Try the white one then.
It's peanut butter. The coating is lovely. But inside you've got the red bean again.
We waited in that queue line for like, well, felt like 20 minutes. One thing we don't like is red bean. We're not a big fan of it, and yeah, both of them are red bean. So the market was very, very interesting.
You've got tons of food stalls, places to eat, like other restaurants, like so many. And as you see, so many.
There's a lot.
people as
There's a
well
lot
as
to
here.
see. Yeah.
And they are selling clothes, they are selling shoes, they are selling some
All sorts of random stuff.
incense,
Yeah.
random. There we are. Look at this beauty.
That is gorgeous. What flavour did we go for in the end?
Custard. Okay,
Custard.
we're going playing safe.
Is it hot?
Yes, it is. It's custard, but like in UK, it's more like pudding, I would say. Pastry is like tastes like no flavour in it.
Really?
But the custard gives you that sweetness. It's not it's hot. And we are back.
We're back. We came all the way back in the daytime. We can definitely see a lot more now. I want to see if we can experience a lot more here at the gates, but we didn't anticipate there will be a huge queue forming at this time.
Well, basically the walk it takes about an hour. It's about 233 meters if I recall.
Apparently it's called 1,000 gates, but there's approximately more than 10,000 gates. That's what we were told by someone just now. I don't know whether it's going to be 1 hour with the queue
Oh, 1 hour
extra because of the queue. Okay guys, this is the end of, well, I want to say today's video. We have to call it quits. We can't go to the very top.
No, we're not going to the top because as you can see it's still raining.
And we got to check out of our, well, we've already checked out, they're holding our luggage and we've got to be moving along. We are heading to Osaka now.
Yes.
So, yeah, we hope you've liked today's video. Please stay tuned, subscribe, like and comment. Leave a comment, tell us what you think.
And make sure when you're planning your trip to Kyoto, make sure you've got plenty of time because it's so many shrines to see, so many other temples to see. Make sure you've got cash with you because they accept mostly cash in temples.
Yes.
And yeah, and you should enjoy your time here.
Take your time.
Take your time. We'll see you next time then.
Sayonara, guys.
Bye.